Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert picture in wallpaper in Microsoft Outlook. So let's start it. At first open your document. Firstly going to the insert menu option and click for the picture option. Then click this device option. Then click for the final picture. The insert picture is the wallpaper. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.